This video series is to introduce website development to beginners who don't know anything about making websites. If this particular video seems too easy, click the first link in the description to go to the next one. The methods in this video may not be the best, but I'll try to explain them as best as I can. CSS is the difference in this website and this one. It gives a website a unique look and feel. To start out, the information you write in CSS is for the look only, not the content. So you will want to put it in the head tags, which were explained in the previous video linked in the description. This information is to style your website, so we'll be using style tags to indicate that. As I mentioned in the previous video, each element on your website can include ID, class, and style attributes. The ID and class attributes allow you to target a particular element for styling, add a function to it, or reference it later on. In the style tags, a dot indicates a class and a hashtag indicates an ID. So if you had a class called content, you would target it with a dot followed by content and then open and close curly brackets. Now to actually add style to this element, you need to add CSS attributes inside the brackets. To change the text color, use color, followed by a colon and then the color of your choice. Basic colors are interpreted by browsers in words, but to get a specific color you'll need the hexadecimal code, which can be found using different tools. You can use colorpicker.com to get it in Photoshop, or if on Windows, you can download a software called Instant Eyedropper, which will sit in your taskbar until you need to get a color on your screen. You just click and hold the icon until this crosshair appears, and then just hover over the color you want and it automatically copies it to your clipboard. To paste it, just press Ctrl V. To change the color of the background, use background-color, followed by the color. You can change the font styling by using attributes like font-size for the size and font-family for typeface. If you're changing the font size, you can use different units like px for pixels or pt for point or even a %sign, but em is recommended. If you want to know why, there's a link in the video description explaining it. There are many other attributes that you can include to add color and style to your site, but it's best to have a goal and search for specific things when you come to them. This video is meant to introduce you to the concept of how to implement it. To make things cleaner, you can put all of your style tags in a separate file with the extension of .css. For example, save this as style.css. In your HTML file, you now need to link to the style sheet in this HTML file by using the tag link. It will look like this. If the file's in a different folder, you'll need to link it through that folder, like this. Now you can keep your workflow cleaner and have a good way to add style to your site. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch the next episode introducing you to JavaScript. Thanks for watching.